1, 2, 3, come on!
It's working out time, guys. There you go. Gym time. Straight back.
Hands the other way.
This way.
Yeah.
Straight my back like this.
Yeah.
And pull up.
Just use your arms.
This is hard work.
Back straight.
Or in the tummy, right?
Yeah, different. Use your arm.
Oh, I like
Core
this.
straight. Rock your core.
Like this.
Yeah, rock your core with your hips. Tense your butt.
Straight.
It's good. Look at the muscles. Miss Philippines 2019.
Hey, stop it.
That's it. And then rest after like 10 because otherwise you lose one of these sets, right?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh gosh.
Yeah. Ready?
So if I'm doing my back, I don't know I can do my back.
Go wider.
Like this,
No,
right?
hands the other way.
Like this?
Turn the hands. Turn the hands. Fingers in front. Twist your hands.
Oh, like this.
Yeah.
And
A bit
then
wider. A bit wider. That's it. Keep the bar straight. Just to there.
like this.
That's it. And up slowly.
1,
Good at work.
2, 3, 4,
Breathe out. As you pull down.
5.
Breathe out. And then. Let me know when you're done. Don't hurt yourself, darling. All done.
Ah.
Still good work.
That's my buddy working out. Don't worry, I'm recording myself. It's gym time. Hirap palang magpa-fit. I'm stressed. What? What?
Couldn't do that last time.
Really? Well done. I don't know if I can do that. I might break my arms with it. Nakaka-stress pala mag-workout, guys. Pero nakaka-addict siya. Nakaka-addict siya.
It's walking.
What?
Cheeky Rally in the gym. Doing very well. Well done. Ricey ready, working out today.
My muscles.
She's the fastest Ricey Rally in the Philippines. She's gonna take off in a minute. Meow. Hotel. Pretty damn cool up here. You can't really see it, but that's actually our hotel. Just below. Very good, honey. She's got the best moves in Manila. Ow!
Can't do this.
Hey! Ricey Rally taking us through the Amazon.
I'm taking you to the paradise.
Thank you, darling. Mr. Crazy Cheeky Rally. We're having lunch and the water is going between our feet. There's Cheeky. See her feet, there you go. And there's a waterfall there. So
okay.
I gotta jump in the bathroom. I'll be back in a second.
Wow. Look at that. Happy New Year.
Quite cool, right?
Nice. Wow.
That's cool.
That's the last bit. Oh, wow.